Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to buy cryptocurrency with debit card on Phantom Wallet. So guys, open your Phantom Wallet from here, and if you have these two options guys, the debit card and transfer crypto, just click this one, first one, debit card, and choose the popular one, Solana or Ethereum. And after that write the amount and click this one, credit card option, and click this one from option, and you have different credit card. You have Skrill and PayPal and Notiller. If you have a credit card are linked with PayPal, just click your PayPal here and complete this steps from PayPal. And if you have Apple Pay, click Apple Pay and make sure your card is linked with Apple Pay and Binance something, or credit card directly from here. And click on Binance Connect. You can connect Binance with your debit card and complete this transaction. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. And don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comments.